We back. What's up, class? Class is in session. All right, so here we go again, like clockwork. We done did the media, blah, blah, the media, the audio, the text, the stickers, the effects. Now we at the transitions. The transitions. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put, the cap. Should I do the captions too? We'll see. Come on, let's just start with the transitions. All right. You know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the captions as well too. Okay, let's do the transitions. Let's do the transitions. I'm gonna keep it transitions. I'm gonna keep it transitions. I know. I'm all over the place. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. I forgot. I'm trying to build these chapters up. So let's just go ahead and do the transitions. All right. Okay. Transition tab. Again, favorites. You add your favorite. Trust me. Listen. That's why I say go through before you even start editing, go through your transitions to see which one you want to favorite, because it's gonna help you out in the long run. You don't have to take 10-15 minutes just to find the right transition. Just go ahead and just build as you go. All right, the transitions again is self-explanatory. Again, the transitions is self-explanatory. All right, you got your regular, let's say trending. They always gonna have the trending. Your black fade, your scroll, what else we got here that's interesting? You got your paper crumbler. That's pretty dope. I use a lot of these. I ain't gonna lie to you. I use it. Let's go to the classic. We might know a little bit of the classic. You got your left blur, scroll, squeeze. You got your 3D movements. You got your flip zooms. You got your 3D clapper, which is pretty dope. Again, there's different situations you can use these, especially the blur. You can definitely use the blur and the light. The light is definitely popular. I know you're gonna see the mini flashes and everything when it comes to just transitions. You got your glitch. Glitch is another one. Glitch is another popular transition in CapCut. Um, but yeah, like I said, it's self-explanatory, man. I ain't gonna take up too much of your time. Where I'm at, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Quick, quick and straight to the point. All right. Bring a friend. Tell that friend to bring another friend, and we can go ahead and have at least 10 of us in the classroom. All right. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. If I know, you know, we all gonna grow. All right.